Guys, so it's day 3 and we just had breakfast at Starbucks and I had a passion iced tea lemonade which Alicia Marie always goes on about and it was amazing. Alicia, do you like the passion iced tea lemonade?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna book a boat ride, aren't we?
It depends whether we can get ourselves organised, but yes.
Yeah. We're gonna book a boat ride and then we're gonna go to Yorkville, I think, and come back for the boat ride in the afternoon, so. So we went to Yorkville and now we're back by the harbour side and we're going to go on a boat cruise. So yeah, we went back to the hotel for quite a while because we're very tired and yeah, I've just realised we haven't actually had any lunch yet and it's probably about 2 in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm not even hungry though, but we're going to go on a boat ride. My mum and dad are just getting tickets right now. There's a plane flying in to the airport. Look how strange it must be flying into that airport though. Just flying over a lake to the airport. That's harsh. This is the boat we're going on. It's like restored steamboat or something. We're back at Nathan Phillips for a what?
Victory celebration.
Victory celebration for the Pan Am
American Games. Pan Am Games.
Pan Am Games, yeah. That's what I said.
Oh, it sounds like it.
We just had dinner at an Italian pizzeria place and it was really good. So, the sun's in my eyes.
Welcome everybody, it's my honor to welcome you tonight to the victory celebrations presented by CIBC. This is the moment. They're the stars of the arenas, on the courts, the fields, the pools, the tracks. Les étoiles des arénas, des terrains, des piscines et des pistes. Here are your 2015 Pan Am Games winning athletes from today. Let's give them a warm welcome. First up, from the United States. She's dedicated to mentoring young girls, and she just shattered today a Pan Am record in the women's 100-meter hurdles at 12.17 seconds. Please help me welcome Queen Harrison gold medalist for women's 100-meter hurdles.
Good morning guys, so today we are leaving Toronto and going to Niagara-on-the-Lake. Went to Starbucks for breakfast again. And I still got some of my passion iced tea lemonade left. We've just arrived in Niagara-on-the-Lake and we can't check into our hotel yet, so we're just in like the main, I don't really know where we are, I think we're in the main town, but we're going to go and find some lunch. It's, hello Louise. It's very nice around here and it's kind of all old style, kind of, isn't it? You can see. Yes, well, yeah. We went on a little drive to Sea Lake, Ontario, and I'll probably insert some pictures because I didn't take any footage while we were there. And there are some pretty amazing houses around here and they're all really different, which is cool. And now we're just going to find somewhere to eat dinner.